So Pioneer DJ just released their amazing new Pioneer DJM A9 mixer, which is a true successor to the original DJM 900 Nexus 2. So in today's video, I'm here to tell you all that you need to know about this amazing new mixer. Let's get on with it. Hello there boys and girls, my name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. I make videos about DJing and tech, so if this interests you, please consider subscribing. Now let's talk about this amazing new mixer. Let's start with the layout. The DJM A9 is larger and now it officially fits perfectly in line with the CDJ 3000s. It's also great to know that the knobs, faders, buttons and everything on the mixer is spaced out quite well, meaning you now have more space between them for better playability. A lot of hardware changes have been made internally. The knobs, the buttons, the up faders and the cross faders are now improved and feel similar to that of the DJM V10. They are smoother and more durable and sturdy. The sound quality is also improved to 32-bit thanks to the new ESS technology, which is a step up from the Nexus 2's 24-bit sound quality. The isolator frequency is also improved, which means now you can have cleaner mixing if you use the isolator mode while mixing. And the new VU meters are brighter and better visible. One major internal hardware change comes to the sound color effects knob. It has the world's first center lock knob, which means that each knob will stop turning when you reach the center position. So you accidentally don't cross too far and switch to the opposite parameter. You can turn this on and off depending on how you would like to use it. You can just simply turn it off if you want to go back to the old school way of using it. They have also added two headphone inputs with independent controls for those B2B DJ sets. And the booth monitor control now has a 2-band EQ along with the volume, so you can further tune the sound in your booths. The beat effects section also sees some major improvements. It has a new color display and an X-pad for intuitive control with a simple finger slide. They have added 3 new effects: Mobius, triplet filter and triplet roll, replacing the pitch, slip roll and vinyl break effect from the Nexus 2. The channel selector is now a dedicated button instead of a knob, enabling you to quickly apply effects to your chosen channel. One more change comes with the effects frequency buttons. Now each effect setting is independent with each effect, instead of being global across all effects. The level depth knob is also more durable than before, so it stays strong for long even if you use the mixer like a maniac. The utility settings of the mixer also has new features, and you can also simply connect a USB to the mixer and load all your settings that you have saved in Rekordbox. Now let's come to the mic section. The mic section is now completely redesigned. My favorite new change is the improved on-off button at the bottom left along with a push to talk feature. So you can press and hold it when you want to speak and it will turn off when you remove your finger. Convenient. The mic module also gets switchable phantom power, which means you can now use condenser mics directly with the DJM A9. It also has 2 new dedicated mic effects modules. They removed pitch from the beat effects, but they added that to the mic section along with echo, megaphone and reverb. The reverb gets its own dedicated control. Now you can combine a total of 3 effects using mic effects and the beat effects together. And if you're recording a DJ set, you now have the option to exclude your mic out of the mix that you're recording. Now let's talk about the new connectivity options. The DJM A9 now adds USB-C connectivity to its 2 audio interfaces along with the older USB-B connectivity. So you can connect 2 laptops at the same time with either the USB-C or USB-B or both independently. They also added Bluetooth to the A9 mixer, making it Pioneer's second mixer with a Bluetooth connectivity feature, first being the DJM S7. The Bluetooth function is brilliant because you can now wirelessly drop audio from the smartphone, iPad or laptop to any dedicated channel using the channel selector knob. And the mixer now has Wi-Fi built-in, which currently supports the use of the all-new Stagehand app that can remotely check all that is happening with the mixer and CDJs. It's great for the in-house technicians while DJing. The multi-IO input is also improved with a dedicated channel selector knob on the top, and the send and return can also be used like usual. Nothing much has changed at the back with the ports except the power socket, which is now lockable so your cable can stay firmly in place. And one last thing, the DJM A9 mixer supports Rekordbox and Serato out of the box. And that pretty much sums up all that you had to know about this amazing new DJM A9 mixer. I can't wait to get my hands on this mixer, and I'm sure that this mixer is going to be the mixer of choice for most DJs around the world. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna get my hands on this mixer, but as soon as I get them, I'm sure to make more videos about this mixer to let you all know how you can use this mixer better, and if there are some things that nobody's talking about, if there are some tips and tricks, if there are some new features, hidden features, I'm gonna talk about all of those things as soon as I'm able to get my hands on this mixer. So stay tuned for that and stay subscribed. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick video about the DJM A9 mixer. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.